What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about, is Discord a scam? So when I first started trading, I joined this Discord, that Discord, this Discord, and it was like 10 million people in this one, 10,000 people in this one, 40,000 people in this one, and it was ridiculous. It was like you can't learn anything in those large communities. You can kind of see what people are trading every now and then, but you're not going to get a real intimate learning environment. And then at the same time, what the call outs are, anybody could really call out a stock. You can say, oh, this is going to go up, and then you get in. You're 50% right or wrong. You could do call outs yourself and say, oh, everything's going to go down. At the end of the day, a lot of these discords are made to make the leaders money, and you don't realize this. How does this work? It's on a recurring basis. So the biggest companies in the world are recurring payment companies like Netflix, Google. They all have these memberships where you join, and then if 10,000 people join at $7 a month, that's $70,000 per month. So a lot of these discords are making money off of recurring payments. Okay, are they actually trading? I don't know. I joined some; they were all trash. I didn't learn anything. All trash. Okay, but so our Discord's a scam. Not necessarily. So there's some really good Discords out there. I personally made a Discord. I always I told myself I would never make a Discord. So I made a TikTok, and I put a lot of information on there, and I put a lot of information here on YouTube. By the way, if you're not subscribed, like, subscribe, do all that YouTubey stuff. I'm telling you, if I get 50 likes on the video, I am dropping a master class, a master course. I already have the course up for 35 videos, but I'll make it really, really precise on options and stocks. So drop the likes. But I made a Discord by popular demand. Everybody was like, hey, do you have a Discord? Do you have a Discord? I said, no, I'm not going to make one. And then I had a ton of people request, hey, can you please make a Discord? I don't care. And I was like, you know what? I'll make a Discord. So me and my buddy K5, we made a Discord. And this Discord, we aim not to just do stupid call outs. I'm telling you, anybody can do call outs. Is trash. We aim to educate traders. So every week we have, on Sundays, a stock and coffee session. We do daily, nightly reviews. So every night I'm on there for 2 to 3 hours just reviewing the charts, and then we have people join and they ask questions, and we just review the charts and we brainstorm. We brainstorm on, hey, what's going on tomorrow in the markets? What should the outlook be? What plays are we taking? And we take insane plays. We go live every morning. And then we have master classes that we put on every couple of Sundays, where we'll put on a 3 to 4 hour master class. And we also have former Wall Street execs in our Discord as well, where they can provide insight as well. And we provide a ton of insight and news, and just educate beginners how to trade stocks and options, and even how to invest. This is not financial advice. This is all just speculative. We're all friends in there. And it's a really good group of people. And it's not 40,000, 50,000 people where you can't learn anything. You have direct access to me. I'm literally on YouTube. I'm on TikTok. I'm on live. I'm on live every single night for 2 to 3 hours. So is Discord a scam? A lot of them are. I get really turned off from the ones that are advertising too much, or like, hey, if you like the YouTube ads, if you want to learn about trading, like, come on, man, just I respect the hustle, though. I respect the hustle. I respect it for sure. But yeah, so the only reason like I said, that I have a Discord, it was by popular demand. It's a very small Discord. It's not even nowhere near 1,000 people at all. And it's, like I said, it's just a good group of people, and we all just love trading together, and we have a very good time doing so. So just wanted to actually show you guys a little bit about the Discord and how we do our thing in the Discord, and really really take pride in the transformations that we've been able to see. So we have like our welcome session where myself and K5, we welcome everybody. We tell them how to navigate the Discord, and then a background on K5 and myself. We actually both play college football, and we're both from Florida. It's pretty hilarious. And then verified accounts, and then we have a watch list. I drop videos every single day on the watch list, and give explanations. You have to give people explanations, because a lot of people are beginner traders, retail traders, who still have 9 to 5s, and we tell them how to take actionable steps. We have a news section. We drop news every single day, and then we have our plays. So we have our plays that we drop in here. So this is what like most people call a call out. Like I hate call outs, but just whatever we take, we'll talk about. We have a general chat, and then a lot of people making a lot of money. So this is like a 400% play right here. But yeah, a lot of people making a lot of money, and then people are learning how to trade, actually learning how to trade and trading options. So just a ton of testimonials in here, and then we have a Q&A section where I answer questions. I even make videos on a lot of the questions that people have, and then of course I have this YouTube in there as well. I do video explanations, myself and K5, and we also give some of our personal indicators that we've created on TradingView. So a lot of good stuff in there. So in the Discord. So Discords can be pretty good. I would try to learn more about the person who's running the Discord, or even ask some questions. And if they don't respond to you, then you probably, in my opinion, I probably wouldn't join the Discord. 'Cause I'm like, bro, if I don't have access to him or her, then they probably just don't really care about me. I'm just gonna be another number, and I won't really learn. But if they respond to you pretty quickly, personally, and nowadays it could be AI responding to you, but you can tell. But if they if they respond to you pretty quickly, then that's a good sign that you can potentially learn something. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the call outs. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Okay, so like I can show you, hey, this is probably a good play, but you won't know what strike to pick, or how long to stay in, or all this other stuff, or what I'm looking for, because I might have $100,000 account and you might only have a $500 account, which happens quite a bit of times. I have a different size account than some beginners. Okay, and it just ends up that way. But guess what? If I teach you what to look for and how to trade, then you'll always end up being successful, and it's going to be a skill that you learn for the rest of your life. So you don't really want to mess with that. You don't want to join these huge Discords with no attention, no learning, just call outs. That's a short-term solution. Okay, that's putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go to the hospital. You want to sew that up. You want to get the proper medication, the proper medical advice or medical attention. Get it all sewn up so that the rest of your life, you have the rest of your life. You don't put a band-aid on a bullet wound, you end up bleeding out. Like, come on now. It doesn't work that way. So my advice when it comes to, hey, choosing the Discord, like I said, you want to make sure, hey, what I would do if I had to start over again, I would message a person. Number one, that's the number one test. Message the leader, see if they respond. Okay? See if they respond. If they don't respond, I'm telling you, you're gonna be a number. Look at the numbers in their Discord. There's some Discords out there with like 10,000 people charging $100 a month. Do the math. 10,000 times $100 a month. They're making $1 million a month off of you guys. Okay, are you learning anything? I mean, some people might be, they take they're taking these call outs, but is everybody learning? Are you able to do this on your own? That's another question. Okay. But yeah, essentially, I respect the hustle and the thought process when it comes to these Discords. And a lot of Discords are really actually helping people. I do know some Discords out there that are doing a great job of leading like-minded individuals and taking them to the promised land. So congratulations to everyone who's doing that. But again, if you guys want any like free stuff or any good knowledge, I drop a lot of free stuff on the YouTube, and it's pretty much going to be the same stuff as the Discord. I'm just trying to put everything out there as much as possible. I think people who join my Discord more so want to pick my brain in terms of just on some of the stocks that they have immediately or questions they have immediately, and just want that intimate experience when it comes to trading and learning. Because otherwise you could just learn everything on here. I put a free course on here on YouTube, and there's just a ton of gems. So again, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff on here. If you guys want more, link in the description for the Discord. Also, there is a link in the beginning of this video for the 35 video series on here on YouTube on how to trade from A to Z. So with that being said, not all Discords are scammy or trash, but do your due diligence. At the end of the day, it's better to just pay the whatever amount and invest in yourself. So most Discords are like 50 to $300. I personally would pay. I paid for a ton of Discords. I would pay, find out, is it what you're looking for? Because at the end of the day, you can pay that and potentially make a lot of money, or you can continue to lose a ton of money. So someone asked like, hey, should I join your Discord? I just lost like $700 yesterday. I'm like, dang, you lost $700 and you're asking if you should pay $90 to be with me for 30 days. That's less than a McChicken meal a day. And you're willing to lose $700. Make it make sense. And I swear I could pull up the DM. I'll pull up the DM. But they say, hey, I lost $700. I was like, dang, dude, like if you literally just join our masterclass on Sunday, you'll learn how to trade for the rest of your life off of the $90 you pay. Just leave. I'm not looking for you to stay in the Discord. I want you to invest in yourself. Is what you do when you're paying for a Discord. If that makes sense, you're investing in yourself. Okay. But yeah, lose that money or learn something today, and keep that skill for the rest of your life. Anyways, it's Mr. Fit to Flourish. I'm outie. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance,